Hey guys, this is Mike from LA1 here, and welcome back. And it's now time for the final construction update of Disney California Adventure as a whole. Okay, but the new California Adventure opens 1 week from today as I am recording this. As right now, as we are getting ready to go, as soon as I get my wallet to get into the park, there you see the new Buena Vista Street. There, see the preview. Don't worry, there was. Oh no, she wants me. That guest researcher wants me.
I just wanted to introduce you customer.
Oh. Crap. Fail. Ah, you got caught. Hello? Thank you. It's okay, I'll wait next week to take a look. Take a look here at 1 week. This is probably will be the second to last time of me doing this walk.
I told him if he started doing it, then we're ready to get a price back.
1 week from today, the walls will come down as the new California Adventure opens. That's right now we are ready to go here. So this is the second to last, actually third to last time, because after musical chairs I have to be here before the Mad Tea Party opens. Which opens at 7 o'clock today as I am recording this. There's see more California Adventure merchandising. As you can see, cast members are getting a sneak peek, and no getting caught by guest researchers here this time around. Thank you. As you guys can see, as the summer approaches, it's all darkness and redness and whiteness. Ah, look out! This is turning into. Now we are ready to go. Now we are this way to adventure. Now we are.
What do you want to do?
Throw it back. I don't feel like chicken tonight.
It's right there. It's over on the other side.
Now Condor Flats, this one is not negotiable. The only thing that changed here for the new Disney California Adventure. The new Disney California Adventure is this new entryway. Fellow Angelinos! The only thing that changed here is Minnie's Fly Girls. Don't worry, a good friend of mine's in the show, though there's a possibility I will film that this summer, but I doubt. I probably will do it sometime, someday. And now we're about to take our first walks at the brand new Buena Vista Street, and oh my god, this is gorgeous. Wait, why did I just do a Carol Channing?
You're in here.
There you see the new cafe. Hey! There you see the new entryway for the cafe. That's where they're gonna have the Starbucks. Yeah, and there you see the new fountain, which, wow, really nice, very nice. Now where's that Parker statue they said they're gonna put in? Woo-wee, this is really good. Remind me when I'm done with this video, I have to take pictures of this. Take a picture of this. Man, this is gorgeous. I like this. I like where this is going. Hey, I can wait next. There's the Carthay Circle premiere. Don't worry, I will take a picture of this soon. As now I'm about to enter into Hollywood land. As you can see right now, things are, the Cathay Circle has been completed. Hey, they actually completed with new water fountains. Yay! But I still prefer using that one over there. And this will be the final Mad Tea Party construction update. And this is probably where the parade route goes through, I think. The red trolley cars should be on their way here on June 15th as well. This will be the final party update because I'm going to take a look so I can write it down and get ready to go here. This is nice. I like this. Well, there you see the old electronica stage site. Now it's abandoned. Now used for strollers. Well, the rest of them go on It's a Small World 10 times in a row. Now it's time to do the update for the last update of the Mad Tea Party. Alright! Let's take a look. Hey, man. There you see the Mad Tea. I don't know what this is for, but I'm kind of interested to find out. There's a drink me. Now, there's the Mad Tea Party stage. Yay! If my calculations are correct, I think this might be where the band is, which is stupid because the band should be playing right over there. So they, looking forward to this. Really looking forward to this tonight.
I'll see if I got guys out here. Let me call Phil.
Let's take a look here. Wow, this is really nice. Ooh, very nice. Yeah. I swear this is turning into a night. Hey, gentlemen. Joe, whoa! What the whoa? What's up with the stage? Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, is this fancy? Oh, this is really fancy. Oh yay! Time for the close-up of the Mad Tea Party, the Mad Arcade. Excuse me. A signed close-up of the Mad Arcade. You know, let's take a seat to see how these feel. Let's see how these feel so I can look for it. Oh. Ooh, man, this is nice. I like this. Gotta get used to this because this better be good. There to see the old face painting booth. It moved from way over there near Muppet Vision and placed it right here, which is kind of stupid, but hey, it's handleable. And wow, look at all this other stuff to eat around here. Woo-wee. So overall, it looks promising, so I'm looking forward to this. Oh, let's hurry up before the van jumps up. Jeez. Buena Vista Street cold storage. Wonder what that could be. There's the Hyperion. Don't worry, this summer, it'll be the final level. which is, I think, the balcony. Yeah, it is the balcony. And yet, they've been doing this show for so long. You want to know how long? They haven't even updated the old logo, the logo yet. What are they thinking? Oh my god, this is probably going to be a tough one for me. A little early to start the show. And don't worry, I'm going to do all 3 stops and get off for the red trolley car review. So, looking forward. There you see the Tower of Terror, aka ride review number 100. The only way I can review this ride is if I get a fast pass. So, right now I'm at ride review number 89. So right now, I'm just 11 reviews away from the Tower of Terror. This is the Hollywood. This is where the red trolley car stopped at the hotel, which sound of it looks good. And there's also a stop at the animation building, which is kind of ingenious. And now we're about to enter a Bugs Land, which received no upgrades whatsoever, which is pretty pathetic. Pretty pathetic. And now we will begin our long walk towards the land everybody's been wanting to review for a while. Oh, daytime world of color, yay! What? This is Grizzly Rapids, which I might do that a couple times today, but right now good, I'm about that.
Hey, what are the mountains over?
Oh, here comes the saddest ride ever built. Heimlich Choo Choo Train, aka the saddest ride ever built.
No, it's always been there, but you just don't hit it.
Hey! Here we are at Cars Land. I know my calculations are right. That's where Mater is. Luigi's is right over there, and Thing is over there. And in fact, yesterday morning, Disney California Adventure welcomed a new store. So I thought it'd be appropriate. And look, wait, is Tough to Be a Buck closed? No, it's open. Mater is going to be the first ride that's going to open, so don't worry, folks. Don't worry, folks. Just calm down. You're ready to go. Can't wait for Cars Land. Whoa! Someone called the milk guy because someone stole their outfits. You know, just for looks exciting, can't wait. Can't wait to review this. The milk guy called, they want their outfits back. They want their outfits back. They want their outfits back. Oh, okay, they want their outfits back. And there's the bakery, and voila! Here's the Ghirardelli soda fountain store. So you know what? Let's take a look inside just for the heck of it. So we can take a look here at the menu here. Take a look and see what they have here. Morning. What's the oh man! That's the business! Oh my god! Oh man! This is absolutely the business. I love this. This is absolutely amazing. This is amazing. This is absolutely that's absolutely amazing. Can't believe that used to be the tortilla factory. Oh my god, that was just absolutely amazing. And now let's head to what possibly considered, well, is considered the biggest improvement, refurbishment in all of Disney California Adventure. Look at this. Oh, I might order something here later tonight. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to do the Grizzly River Run reviews again later. In a bit later, but... Okay, so we're going to make this short, sweet, and to the point, because I do not want to run out of energy right now. Tortilla factory. The Little Mermaid came in 2011. Goofy Sky School was rethemed. Toy Story Midway Rainier was the first new ride to come into California Adventure in the refurbishment era back in 2008. Mickey's Fun Wheel of Death, even though that's not his name, 2010. Silly Symphony Swings, 2010. And last but certainly not least, World of Color in 2010. So this is Mike from LA1 signing off. Come back next week at Disney when we will review the big one, the first on Shining New Era, Vader's Junkyard Jamboree. See you guys then, folks.